Well, finally 2020 is almost over. Christmas is over. New Year's is only a couple of days away. And just when you think you don't have to spend any more money, bam! Here comes another one. One last time, 2020. Hey, you remember what happened on my ride? I blew my tires on my trailer. Did a really crappy ride. Burned out my day. But okay, today I'm getting new tires. That's the old one. Look at this thing. Oh my godness. Got the tires off, putting new tires on. Finally, after 9 years. Alright, that is a lot better. Check that out. Brand new tires, brand new tires. Not gonna have that problem again. He's on the other side, working on the other tire. Not gonna have that problem again, I promise you. Awesome, man. Worst part about buying tires is paying for them. All good. Looking forward to the next ride.